Spoops, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this White Queen inspired makeup look from Alice in Wonderland. And can I just say, what an honor to turn myself into Anne Hathaway for Halloween. Like, if I could do this any day, I would. She's an icon and I'm so happy. Like, no lie, catch me 1 year turning myself into every Anne Hathaway character known to man just because she's just absolutely amazing. So with that being said, I have loved the character design for the White Queen ever since Alice in Wonderland first came out. I just feel like it is absolutely beautiful and striking. It still has that Tim Burton feel to it, and I wanted to turn myself into her for quite some time, so I decided to throw her into my little Alice in Wonderland series that I'm doing. If you're not already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, so you guys definitely don't want to miss it. Also, I'm going to be leaving my Halloween playlist linked down below for you guys, so if you need help seeing any kind of character inspiration ideas, I will have all of them in that playlist for you linked below. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can transform yourself into the White Queen this Halloween, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be going ahead and popping in some brown contact lenses before moving on to skincare, where I'm going to be taking my True Skin Vitamin C Facial Serum and applying that all over my face. And following that, I'm going to be going into my Fenty Skin Pro Visor Sunscreen and applying that all over my face to help moisturize it. I'm then going to be going into my Pixi Rose Plus Radiance Perfector and applying that onto my face to give it a radiant glow. And then I'm going to be going into my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and applying that all over my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlighter and applying that under my eyes to help brighten it and remove some dark circles. And then to further remove dark circles, I'm going to be going into my Milani Supercharged 120 Peach Concealer and applying that under my eyes, making sure to go ahead and blend that out. I'm then going to be taking my MAC Strobe Cream and going ahead and applying that to my cheekbones, and then I'm going to be moving on to painting my face and body. I'm going to be taking a mixture of my NYX Cosmetics Ultra HD Foundation in Porcelain and mixing that with a little bit of my Kosas foundation, which is my normal color, and that is in the color 200 Light Medium, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my face, making sure to bring that down to my neck and body. I definitely like to go ahead and do one layer of the two of them mixed together and then another layer of just the Porcelain foundation to help give it that nice pale look. I'm then going to be going into my Kosas Concealer in 1.5C, and I'm going to be applying that under my eyes and to my Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead, and then making sure to go ahead and thoroughly blend that out. And then to set my face, I'm going to be going into my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and applying that to my face to help alleviate some creasing. Moving on to contour, I'm going to be going into my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking this contour color on an angled brush and just going ahead and applying this under my cheekbones, and then also bringing this down to my jawline as well to help define it, and also applying this to contour my nose. For my blush, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Kissin' a Frog blush and going ahead and applying this to my cheekbones and the apples of my cheeks. And for my highlighter, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Coronation highlighter and applying this to my cheekbones and also bringing this down to my collarbones and shoulders as well, since those are exposed from the costume. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black and just going ahead and lightly filling in my eyebrows, making sure to make them nice and thick since she does have a nice contrast between her dark eyebrows and her light hair. And then once I got that to the desired look, I'm going to be going ahead, filling in the arch with some black eyeshadow, and then just going ahead and setting my brow hairs with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setting Gel. Next, I'm going to be highlighting my face with some eyeshadow, so I'm going to be going into my Be Perfect Carnival XL palette, taking Pillow Talk, and I'm just going to be applying this to the areas that you still see my foundation exposed. So I'm going to be avoiding the blush contour areas and definitely just kind of helping use this to lighten up my face a little bit more, and it definitely gives it a nice blurred, glowy finish. For my eyes, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and just applying this to my eyelids before going in to my Pillow Talk eyeshadow and just using this as a base on a fluffy brush and applying this all over my eye area. And then I'm going to be going into the eyeshadow color Makeup, and I'm going to be taking this on a fluffy brush and I'm going to be applying this to my eyelid area, making sure to just kind of blend it out as I go, since this does seem to blend seamlessly into her skin. So as you can see, we're going to kind of create that Tim Burton effect with makeup by applying this under our eyes as well, making sure to blend out the edges a lot as we go. I'm then going to be hopping into my ColourPop Wild Nothing palette, taking Come Together, and on a fluffy brush, I'm just going to be using that to kind of create a little bit more definition with the eyeshadow, focusing this on the inner parts of my eye a little bit more, so closer to my lash line, and then once again using a clean brush, I just want to blend out all of those edges. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Black Eyeliner and just going ahead and tightlining my upper lash line, making sure to just kind of help accentuate my eye shape a little bit more before going into prepping my eyelashes by curling them and taking my Tarte Maneater Mascara and sweeping this through my eyelashes. I decided to apply some false eyelashes for this look, so I'm just going to be taking my Kiss Lash Couture lashes in Lacy and applying that to my upper lash line before moving on to lips, where I'm going to be starting off by taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Bichette and just going ahead and creating a nice outline of my lips before moving on to taking my ColourPop Mulan Strong Chi Luxe Liquid Lip and filling this in. And I wanted to add a little bit more dimension to my lips, so now I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Luxe Liquid Lip in Hermosa and just applying this right on top to give it a little bit more of those darker undertones before topping this off with my ColourPop Villains lip gloss in Bad Apple. Then last but not least, I'm going to be setting my face with my One Size Beauty Until Dawn Setting Mist. And that's my completed White Queen inspired makeup look from Tim Burton's Alice in Wonderland. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup looks before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!